In this video, I will show you how to delete a Chrome extension. So, two way you can delete or disable any Chrome extension. First one, click here, and in case you want to delete this extension, click here and click on remove from Chrome. Another way, click this three dot and settings. Here click on extensions. Here you will see a list of extension. If you need to remove any extension, so just click on remove. It will remove and delete permanently. Want to just disable any extension, so select this setting to disable. So once you need, you can enable it without installation. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.